I'm Davey. This is my boyfriend, Xavier, and my girlfriend, Avery. Welcome. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Learn the alphabet to rescue Davey. Van, Volcano, and Vase. Art drawings, by, the letter V, and music. Mr. Penguin's Ice Cream Adventure music, written by, Ben Wolfgang Richard. Hi. I am Davey. Wait. What is this place called? Oh, this is getting hot in this volcano. Oh, that's great. Lava is too dangerous and hot to touch. This shouldn't be a place that you want to go for a swim. Oh. This volcano is about to erupt. Xavier and Avery, help me.
We'll be right there, Davey. Now Xavier, let's go play Davey's Letters. It is a game that Davey made.
Okay, Avery. Let's go play the game then. Let's go. Oh, the letter V is on that van. Wow. Ooh, you know what we need? Our handy dandy
Draw pad.
draw pad. Right. Okay, let's draw a van. Let's see. To draw a van, let's draw wheels first. And then our van kind of looks like this. Okay. Right. And we have a van. So, what can help us rescue Davey with a van? Ooh, two more words that begin with the letter V to find just to be sure. Oh, our next word is volcano. Oh, you know what we need? Our handy dandy
Draw pad.
draw pad. Right. Okay, let's draw this volcano. Okay, let's see. Let's draw a pretend volcano with a circle and 3 lines over here. And we have a volcano. So, what was our first word?
A van.
Oh, a van, right. And now we have a volcano. So, what can help us rescue Davey with a van and a volcano? Ooh, one more word that begins with the letter V to find just to be sure. Oh, our third word is on this vase. Wow. You know what we need? Our handy dandy
Draw pad.
draw pad. Right. Okay, so let's draw a vase. Okay, let's draw this vase first. Then 2 lines, and then 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. And we have a vase. Oh, we have all 3 words. That means we're ready for our
Skywriting ABCs.
skywriting ABCs. Let's go. Okay, now that we're here, let's think. You will help us, right? Great. So, we're trying to figure out what can help us rescue Davey.
And our words are a van, a volcano, and a vase. So, what do these words begin with?
V.
V, that's it. Will you help us? Great. Save Davey.
Thanks for helping me cool down this volcano. Now I can drive this van. Now it's time for the show ending. The characters are me, Xavier, and Avery, and the music composer is Richard. Hooray! Yay, Richard. And here comes the music of the day. Listen. See you on the next mission.